Graffiti Shield manufactures surface protection solution products for glass, metal, and solid surfaces. We specialize in pre-cut anti-graffiti films for the transportation and commercial markets. CAD drawings are done to ensure proper fit each and every time. We catalog all parts by client and property. We also assign unique part numbers or OEM part numbers to ensure easy reordering. Currently, we offer CNC knife blade cutting, laser cutting, custom laminating, and printing services. Graffiti Shield sells and installs its films around the world. Our emphasis is on public spaces that require constant maintenance and provide a safe and secure environment. These areas include mass transit, healthcare, retail, and much more. Graffiti Shield's products are a perfect green solution to the graffiti epidemic happening around the world. Our products require less embodied energy to produce than the surfaces we protect and put less waste into our landfills.
Graffiti Shield's current offerings are for numerous surfaces. Our glass shield is made to be a clear protection on smooth surfaces like glass, stone, LCD screens, fuel pumps, and storefronts. It's available in many different thicknesses and a multi-layer combination. Multi-layer options are a great way to protect a surface with one installation and have several layers of protection. Simply peel each layer as needed to give you a clean surface. Metal Shield is a proprietary product we offer in several finishes. It's made to go over vandalized metal surfaces to mask damage that gives you a clean new look. Great for elevators, escalators, and any other metal or brushed surface. Mirror Shield is a revolutionary film that is applied to a new or vandalized mirror to cover up existing vandalism or mirror corrosion. It has a perfect mirror finish and is undetectable, which offers a great protection. We also offer custom shield products that can be matched to specific surface colors and offer protection to expensive finishes. Graffiti Shield has the ability to provide on-site laser surveying to measure a property for pre-cut patterns. Graffiti Shield offers on-site installation by our internal staff or one of our authorized dealers. Installation is performed to the highest standards that can be done in our facility or at your facility. Graffiti Shield has undergone the latest testing procedures to ensure our products meet the stringent requirements for the United States and Canadian applications.